So right now I'm going to start. This is the base I'll be using. So I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So having chained 3, I turn it over and I yarn over the hook into the second loop, 1, 2, with triple crochet. Into the next loop, triple crochet. Triple crochet. So right now I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So having chain 4, I yarn over. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with triple crochet. So 1, 2. I insert into that same loop here, triple crochet. Can you see? So I chain another 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I yarn over. I count 5 at the base, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with triple crochet. So I chain 1, 2. I yarn over. I insert into that same loop to give me that triangular effect. Can you see? So I chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I yarn over. I count 5 at the base with triple crochet. One, 2. Another triangular loop, triple crochet. Can you see? So this is how I'm going to go till I round up this row. So I proceed, triple crochet, then to the last loop here, triple crochet. So can you see? I've rounded up this row. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then I yarn over, insert into the second loop, still with triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. You see? So right now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So having chained 3, I yarn it over, I insert into this loop here with triple crochet. Then I chain 1, 2, I yarn over, I insert into this same loop to give me another triangular loop with triple crochet. And you see? So right now I'm going to chain another 2, 1. I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. Haven't chained 2. I yarn over the hook and I insert in this next loop with triple crochet. So I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So right now I'm going to insert into this place with single crochet. So I have this. So I yarn over, I insert into this with triple crochet. So I chain 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to insert into this loop right here with single crochet to give me another bob. So I yarn over, I insert into this loop with triple crochet, then I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then I insert into this loop, the next loop right here, with single crochet to give me another bob. Can you see? I yarn over, I insert into this loop again with triple crochet, 1, 2, 3. So I insert into this loop with single crochet. Can you see? So I yarn over, I insert into this same loop, still with triple crochet, then 1, 2, 3. So I insert into this with single crochet. So I have here, I have 5 bob. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now I'm going to proceed 1, 2. I yarn over, I insert into this with triple crochet, then I chain 1, 2. Can you see? I yarn over, I insert into this same loop again with triple crochet to give me another triangular loop. So 1, 2. I yarn over, I insert into the next loop with triple crochet, triple crochet. So I'm going to chain 3 now. 1, 2, 3. So I insert into this big loop here with single crochet to give me bob. So I yarn over, I insert into this loop with triple crochet. So I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3. Then I insert into this loop to give me a bow. Can you see? So remember it's 5 bow. It's 5 bow. So I yarn over, I insert into this loop with triple crochet. So I chain 1, 2, 3. Haven't chained 3. I insert into the next loop here with single crochet to give me another bob. So I yarn over, I insert into this same loop with triple crochet. So 1, 2, 3. I insert here with single crochet to give me another bob. I'm having 4 bobs now. Remember it's 5. I yarn over, I insert into that same loop with triple crochet, then I chain 1, 2, 3. So I insert here with single crochet. Can you see? So I have 5, also here 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going to proceed 1, 2. I chain 2, I yarn over, I insert into this loop, the next loop, with triple crochet, 1, 2, into this same loop with triple crochet. So this is how I'm going to go till I round up this row. You can see right here I've completed that the row. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I turn and I yarn over the hook into the second loop with triple crochet. Next loop, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. So right now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. I yarn over and insert into this loop here with triple crochet. 1, 2. I chain 2 and insert into this same loop to give me another triangular loop, triple crochet. Can you see? So right now I'm going to chain another 3. 1, 2, 3. So I yarn over, I insert into 1, 2, 3, the third one with triple crochet. So 1, 2, chain 2, I insert into that same loop to give me another triangular loop. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3. I yarn over, I insert into this loop here with triple crochet. 1, 2. I chain 2 into this same loop with triple crochet. So 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, 1, 2, 3. Insert, triple crochet. I chain 1, 2. Yarn over, insert into the same loop, triple crochet, giving me another triangular. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert into the triangular loop next to it. 1, 2. In the same loop, triple crochet. So this is how I'm going to go till I round up this row. Now as you can see that the row has been completed. So right now I'm going to proceed. I chain 1, 2, 3. So I insert into the second loop with triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. Next, triple crochet. So I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert here, triple crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert into the loop with triple crochet. So another triangular loop has been created. So I chain 1, 2. Insert into the next loop, triple crochet. So 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to insert right here with single crochet. Triple crochet. 1, 2, 3. insert into that loop, and you see another bulb has been created. I yarn over and insert into this same loop, still with triple crochet. 1 2 3. So I insert into the next loop with single crochet. I yarn over, triple crochet, 1 2 3. Insert, triple crochet, single crochet. So I have 4 loops. I yarn over, 4 bulbs rather, triple crochet. So I chain 1 2 3. So I insert into the last loop here with single crochet. You can see another 5 bulb has been also created, So right now I'm going to proceed 1 2. Insert here with triple crochet, then I chain 2 1 2 to form another triangular loop, triple crochet, and you see 1 2. Insert here, triple crochet, 1 2 3. So I insert here, yarn over, triple crochet, chain 3, insert with single crochet to give me another bulb. I insert, triple crochet, 1 2 3. Insert there with single crochet for another bulb. Insert, triple crochet, 1 2 3. I have 4 bulbs, yarn over, insert, triple crochet, 1 2 3, single crochet. So I have 5 bulbs. So this is how I'm going to proceed. So you can see it right now. This is how I'll be repeating it till I complete this tutorial. Can you see? As you can see right here, I've come to the conclusion of this tutorial. Can you see the pattern? So beautiful. If you like this tutorial or this video, you can click on the liking button to appreciate this work. I thank you all for always being there for my videos. Thank you. Till I come your way some other time. Bye for now.